One of our principal roles as a school is identifying the needs of our students so we can offer them the educational and well-being support to ensure that every child is the best they can be. From early years to sixth form, we've been working to emphasise fundamental character strengths such as resilience and positivity. Fortunately, the school has been promoting these values for many years throughout its curriculum, so students have a good grounding in these ideas. Given the current difficult circumstances, it's more important than ever to ensure our students' mental health and well-being is central to all that we do. And we'd like to ask for your support as parents and carers of our young people to help raise awareness of Children's Mental Health Week. Mental health isn't just important this week, it's important every day. We've spoken regularly about the importance of mental health, and there are 2 reasons why we need to keep talking about it, not just this week, but beyond this week as well. Firstly, research carried out in June 2020 has shown that in the last 3 years, the likelihood of young people having a mental health problem has increased by 50%. In 2017, 1 in 9 children was likely to have a mental health problem. Now, 1 in 6 children and young people have a diagnosable mental health problem, and many continue to have these problems into adulthood. Additionally, 50% of those with lifetime mental health problems first experience symptoms by the age of 14. If we want to be able to support our children and young people and to get them the help they need, it's vital that together we know and can spot the signs of a possible mental health issue developing. Children's Mental Health Week aims to raise important awareness to help more children and young people get the emotional support they need. It aims to continue breaking down the stigma of mental health and to ensure it's talked about openly and honestly. Our young people have so much going on in their lives. Young people battle with identity, friendships and belonging. And for Generation Z, or Generation COVID as they will often be referred to, it's even tougher. They've had to deal with school closures, not seeing friends, youth unemployment, climate crisis, uncertain futures, as well as worrying about family members and friends who've been affected physically, emotionally and financially by the virus. This year's theme is Express Yourself. This means encouraging young people to find ways to share their feelings, thoughts or ideas through creativity. This could be through art, music, writing, poetry, dance and drama, photography and film, any activities that make them feel good. Finding healthy ways to express themselves creatively is one way our young people can look after their mental health. When they're able to find creative, enjoyable ways to share their thoughts, feelings and ideas, this can make them feel good and help their mental health, especially through challenging times. Research proves that being creative and expressing yourself can help you to relax and de-stress, generate feel-good endorphins which can lift your mood, help you feel empowered and create a sense of identity and achievement, and can help to boost self-esteem, connect with others and give you purpose and meaning. Our young people are all different and will find different creative ways to express themselves, but we want to encourage our students to explore possibilities and find what works for them. Throughout this week, tutors and heads of year will be sharing some different creative expression ideas during registration. But we mustn't forget how important your role is as parents and carers in supporting your child or children. So we'll also be sharing some information with you via the parent profile, including some links to useful documents and websites that offer parent guides and advice on how to help your child with specific mental health conditions and life events which might be negatively affecting their well-being. As always, if there is anything further we can do to support you or your child, please do contact us here at school. Take care, open up a conversation at home, and encourage your child to explore their self-expression and try something new. Thank you.